What if I told you that you could explore the beauty of Spain completely for free this December?
Free. Free.
Yes, you heard that right. Stay tuned. I'll show you exactly how to get your free travel pass and make the most of it. You can travel for free all around Spain during the entire month of December 2024. And the best part is, this offer is available right now. You can also travel free during the remaining days of November. Getting your free travel pass is super simple. Here is what you need to do. All you need to do is pay a refundable deposit. Refundable deposit for Cercanías user will be just €10 and for Distancia user will be €20. You will get this deposit back. All you need to do is you need to complete at least 16 trips during the validity period of this card. This pass is valid until 31st December 2024. So hurry up, get your pass and start traveling. You can get your free pass at Renfe ticket office, machines or through the website or Renfe application. I recommend you to use an application because it is quick and convenient. So there are 3 things which you need to keep in your mind. Number 1. Trips are limited to the stations that you choose when you were applying for the pass. Number 2. You must complete a minimum of 16 trips to get your deposit refunded. Number 3. Paying your deposit with your card makes the refund faster and easier. So, what will happen if you don't meet the 16 trip requirement? You will definitely lose your deposit. But the best part is, it is still a great deal for anyone who wants to save deposit on train travel. This is your chance to travel across Spain for free and experience everything this beautiful country has to offer. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button, share, subscribe and follow for more European tips.